Good afternoon, everyone. We are on our way to Katipunan Avenue, where there is a free RFID installation event happening at Big Bike Tech and Easy Trip. I got a bunch of cops. Hey, not violating the law, officers. Oh man, that is traffic over at the other side. Also, looks like it's gonna rain. See that? Motorcycle lane. Put us on the rightmost side, where all the freaking potholes are. This is also where the jeepneys stop. So jeepneys are a form of public transportation. See that up ahead? I'll show you. See? Look at that. Why the hell is he stopping in the middle of the road? Freaking dangerous lane. See this? This is a jeepney. And this freaking lane that we're put on is where these guys stop and pick up random passengers all over the place. Oh no, it's freaking raining. Oh, suck. Ah, what a spoiled day. According to the forecast, the rain was supposed to come at 4 p.m. It probably wasn't a good idea. Big Bike Tech is supposed to be somewhere here. Oh, there it is. Big Bike Tech. Now all I need to do is just to get to the other side. This sucks. Oh, it's raining cats and dogs, man. Jesus. I hope the RFID was worth it. As you can see, I am currently now in Big Bike Tech, and according to ma'am, they just need the plate number. No need anymore for the ORCR, but I bought it anyway. I'm gonna check out the stuff here. So you got other bikers hanging around because it's freaking raining. That is a Yamaha bike. First time I've seen that. That's my bike over there. Alright. So while waiting, let's take a look at what stuff they have here. I have a lot of SW Motec stuff. So I've got some tank bags. Hard luggage. And most of them are wrapped in plastic. Just good. Means that they're keeping it safe. We also have a shop here. Looks like they're working on a bike right now. Also got some jackets. And some Knox gloves. Oh, skid plate. Kawasaki Versus, I guess. Nice. Some sliders. Hi.
Info niya, sir.
Info? Okay. So because it's raining, we're trying to cover up the sticker with plastic. Do some ghetto shit because they won't allow me to take home the RFID and install it myself. Hopefully it's fine. This is the ghetto waterproofing that they did. Good, thank you. sir. Away we go. Okay. So the RFID installation is done. I have to say thank you to the two folks who installed the RFID and did the ghetto waterproofing. The lady, although she was helpful, wasn't really very happy when I suggested the trying to install it on my own at home. I mean, that would probably be the best option, but you know, I tried, right? I think they don't allow it for security reasons, because you might put it in some other car or something. Not sure why you would ever do that, but